Good day, everyone. I'm maritime learner Idmilaw, and I'm here to talk about something very important in our digital world today: media and information literacy, or MIL. Every day, we scroll through social media, watch videos, read news, and use the internet. But have you ever asked yourself, is everything I see online is true? The truth is, not all information we see today is correct. There is fake news, edited videos, online scams, and misleading posts. This is why media and information literacy matters now more than ever. Media and information literacy teaches how to think critically. It helps us check if a source is reliable, if a post is based on facts, or if it is only someone's opinion or propaganda. With MIL, we learn to think before we click, like, and share. It also helps protect us from online dangers like fake job offers, phishing links, and internet scams. When we are media and information literate, we become smarter and safer internet users. Media and information literacy also teach us how to be responsible digital citizens, to respect others online, avoid cyberbullying, and use social media in a positive way. So, in a world full of information and misinformation, media and information literacy is our shield and our guide. Because when we are media and information literate, we don't just consume content. We understand it, question it, and use it wisely. So, thank you for listening, and remember, be smart, be safe, be media information literate. Thank you, everyone.